Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my 9th month locked update, and I'm so excited to share this update with you guys. We are almost to the 1 year mark. I officially locked my hair on May 17th. I can't believe we made it here, guys. Like, can you see my hair? If you were to go back to my intro video of me starting my Microlocs, I wore the same hairstyle, but you can definitely see how my hair hangs now. Like, my hair has hang time. My hair is heavy, it has weight, and my loctician said my hair is getting long. But I'm so excited. I'm loving my hair. As you can see, my roots are freshly done. I did just go ahead and get a fresh retie this past Saturday, so I did get my grid a little bit cleaned up, and honestly, as my hair is starting to drop a lot more, I'm loving the fresh scalpy look of a retie, because before these past few months I really hated my hair being retied. Typically I don't like my hair because it gives like a scalpy look. I even said that in my last video, but I don't know, this retie that Chanel did this time, it is given. Look at the sun hitting it. Purr. But yeah guys, so this is just a quick update. I'm gonna tell you what's been going on with my hair, nothing new. And then if you saw the title, I'm gonna be showcasing you guys a new product today that I found. I've actually been looking for lock extensions for a long time, and I'll go into that. Okay, so to go ahead and start with the update. So as far as my hair being dry, my hair hasn't been dry since my last update. I really do believe that with the harsh winter winds, it's just been giving my scalp a little bit of flakiness and a little bit of dandruff, so my hair was really itchy, combined with me trying to combat the itchiness with oversaturation of like moisture and water. I think it was making my scalp itchier, so my scalp has definitely calmed down. Now, as far as budding and frizzing up, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair has definitely started budding and frizzing up a lot more. I'm gonna see if I can find some pieces for you. Like, my hair is going through some stages, okay? All of my locks are different. Let me see if I can find a good one. It's always hard to find a good lock when you're looking for one. So like this lock, for example, this lock has done a very good job locking. It's almost locked to the point where all I have that's really exposed are my little curly ends here. So I'm very proud of them. I have noticed a tremendous amount of growth this past 3 weeks alone. Like, my hair has been dropping on its own. It's just been thriving, and I can't tell you that I've been doing anything different to my hair. It's just been doing what it wants to do. And I can really tell that the length is coming through. And she moves. My little top knot looks like a Leaning Tower of Pisa. I know I told you guys that I had slippage around the nape of my hair and in the front. Particularly this lock right here. I don't know what's wrong with it, but this lock right here loves slipping. And I honestly repaired probably from about like right here to the end of it a couple days ago. Okay, so what did we go over? We have budding, we have length. I do have a lot of frizz going on right now, and I'm just embracing the frizz of my hair. You can't really tell the frizz right now just because my hair is freshly retied, so everything looks really neat. But I do have a lot of frizz, and that's what's helping my hair to lock and bud up. So moisture, I do not moisturize my hair every day anymore. I will say that's probably what helped contribute to my hair staying dry. I probably moisturize my hair maybe like once every 3 or 4 days when I feel like it's really dry. That's all that I have for this update. Honestly, there's nothing else that I have. I still use the same Suave shampoo. I don't condition my hair. One thing I never talked about, I do not do my edges. I don't use like edge control or anything on my edges just because I don't feel like I need it. I have like natural edges that are kind of tiny, but they don't really do much, so I don't really bother putting like gel on them. I know when I was a loose natural, I did use gel and edge control on my edges, but now I don't need to, and I'm really loving my hair. Like, I'm really loving the way it's sitting. I need to name my hair, y'all. What should I call it? I don't know why Gina wants to come out my mouth, but I don't want to name my hair Gina. I happened to come across this product on Instagram, just looking through like Microloc hair pages and Sisterlock hair pages. And I was looking for Microlocs for the longest time. I saw someone make a video on YouTube. I'll try and link it in the video of who I watch. I can't remember her name, but she actually used the Bobbi Boss Microlocs, I believe, extensions. They were running anywhere from like $8 to $9.99 to $15 a pack, but when I've been looking for them recently, they either have been out of stock or discontinued. So when I found these locks, I was very excited. So I got it in the box, and when I open up my box, you get this little promotion code saying, you know, welcome to the Loc Nation. You can use this code if you needed to go ahead and purchase something else from her website. It came packaged in a box like this. I can't tell if this was UPS, USPS. I believe this is UPS. My items shipped via UPS, I believe. I bought 10 packs of hair. Now I just got these Microlocs just to put in my hair, just to give it a little bit more length and, you know, to play around with styles to see what my hair would honestly look like when it grows out a little bit more. Now the style I was gonna do was 2-strand twist, and when I saw two women on her Instagram page, the owner's name is Jonay, and then another woman, let me see what her name was, Locs by Lala. So she did an added length rope twist tutorial on her Sisterlocs, it looks like, or Microlocs, I'm not sure what she has. And it was really cute, so I was like, okay, I want to do that too. So I got these locks hoping that I could do the same. In the comments, I believe she says she only used 4 packs of hair, and the owner said that would be enough. I had to be extra because these locks are 18 inches, but I kind of wanted them a little bit longer. I may do like a feed-in style on them for now. So I bought 10 bundles. I don't know if that's going to be enough or too much for what I'm trying to go for. We'll see when I actually install them, but I just bought some extra just in case. So I already opened up one package, and it comes in a package like this. There's a sticker on here with the company name, Naetorious Locs, and I got this in a 1B30. So the roots are a 1B color and the bottom is a 30. They came in the box folded up like this. Let me see if I can lift it for you. Ah! So they came really packaged really neatly in the box like this. So because I've already played with this bundle, I already have, I believe, 4 pieces missing. I can't remember how many pieces actually come in a bundle. So I believe you get 28 in a bundle because I have 24 right here. But this is what the hair looks like. And I like it. It moves pretty nice. It looks like where the 1B stops and the 30 begins is pretty consistent all the way down through a majority of the locks. They are very cylindrical and thin. So honestly, they really do look like real Sisterlocs to me. Now my hair is a little bit more textured, a little bit more frizzy, a little bit more thick. So it's gonna be interesting to see how this actually looks like on my hair. I did plan these, and I'm not gonna show you guys just yet because I'm gonna do a tutorial for you, but they did honestly blend well, and I've learned how to work with the hair. Now I will say that upon receiving the hair, it does smell like chemically processed, like, what's the word? Synthetic hair, chemically processed synthetic hair. And that's probably because of like the colors that they put in it, and whatever process they do in order to melt the hair to get it into this texture. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and soak these in apple cider vinegar and wash them before I install them in my head, just so that they can be pretty clean. But if I were to stand and put this at the base of my hair, these would come past my boobs right here. So they're pretty long, and that's, you know, at the base of my hair. It'll probably be mid-back or to the top of my butt when I install them. So I'll let you guys know how it is. So far, because I know what it looks like, I'm gonna give this company, I would say, an 8 out of 10, just because I've never used a product like this, but it came very fast. I ordered it on a Wednesday and I got it the following Wednesday. For the 10 packs, I spent Well, I originally spent $161, but if you do sign up on the website, I believe you get a 10% discount code that I couldn't, for some reason, figure out how to put in my cart when I was checking out. So Jonay was very kind. I emailed her and I gave her my order number and I let her know that, hey, I checked out, but I forgot to, you know, use the coupon code, and she actually refunded me within the next day. So that was very good and that was very professional, and I really like that. But this is just the hair, and I'm very excited to show you guys what this will look like. If you have any styles in mind that you think might look good with feed-in Microlocs, go ahead and let me know down below. I went with the 1B30 because I felt like it would be a little bit darker, just because my hair is a little bit darker at this point, but it still has color, especially when it hits the sun. I feel like it's just as bright as the 1B27, so I don't know. Or did I buy the 1B27? Yeah, I bought the 1B30, and I don't know, I feel like this 1B30, this 30 is a brighter 30 than what I'm used to, but I mean, they still look nice. And I did see the owner on her website, she did go ahead and do a tutorial of some feed and pop smoke braids, which were fire with the 1B99 chase. So go ahead and check out her Instagram. This again is not a promotion, this is just me liking the product. I will go ahead and show you guys what it looks like once I go ahead and install these rope twists, but for now I'm excited. And I'm just honestly glad my hair is growing. Like, I can go like this. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I greatly appreciate you. I thank you guys for coming back each time I put up a new video. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anybody. Leave me any comments and suggestions down below. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until I see you in the next one, I hope you have a blessed, positive week.